This is a very interesting car. It's a 1960 Cadillac ElDorado Brougham, but the body was made by Pinin Farina in Italy, handcrafted. And there were only 101 of these made, and this was number 16 in that range of cars. Not made like any other Cadillac. The owner says in restoring it, everything was custom. The trim is brass that was chrome plated. Just amazing differences. And you'll see in the taillights there'll be a change too. This is air conditioned, of course. Beautiful white interior. This is one of those cars that would stump the average judge probably at a car show, figuring what's going on with this car. How has it been modified? But this was the production from Pinin Farina. Now you notice in that fin above there is no taillight. It's just plain. That's one of the differences. I couldn't get around that side, so I had to go around the front again and down the other side. Needless to say, it's attracted a crowd. Now this hood appears to be a front hinged rear opening hood, judging by that gap. They also did this with the 1959 models, and there were 99 of those vehicles produced by Pinin Farina. Never knew that he had a hand in 1959 and 1960 Cadillac production. Now, back there by the taillight, you see that special insignia that marks it as being this special car. And again, this happened at an AACA event. Another good reason for going to AACA events, because you have cars like this that are very exceptional, that you would never see under any other circumstances.
101 maybe.